How to change TikTok account, country, or reason. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login, and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now, once inside your profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and options will be available on your screen. Now, from the options, tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the account at the top. Once inside the account, tap on the account information at the top. Now there you can see account reason option available. Tap on it. And here you will get to see the long list of country or reason option available. Tap on any and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.